Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, a Mythic Legions All-Stars 5+ wave is here, and we got package number 1 of 2. So Miss Blaze placed an order, I placed an order, I got my package in, and we should be getting our other figures in right after this, sometime maybe next week. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this box. Here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Woo-wee. I am excited for this. The first figure right on top. The first figure right on top. I am so excited for it. Jesus Christ, that looks amazing. Swigg. Swigg. Let's go, man. Let's go. I'm so happy to have him. Look at him. Look at him. Just look at him. He's so cool. My first goblin, ladies and gentlemen. This is my first goblin figure right here. Yes, right here, my first goblin figure. Oh my goodness. The second thing in here. Ooh-wee. Look at this. Look at this. The heads pack. The heads pack. Dude, look at that. The vampire, the demon, the dwarf, the cat head, the lady knight head, and the bog goblin head. Oh my goodness, dude. I am so excited, ladies and gentlemen. And the last figure is probably my most anticipated figure in this wave right here. The All-Stars 5+. Duban. Damn, this figure is heavy. Bilbo, knock it off. Look at this. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. I can't wait to get into these figures. Duban, the heads pack, and Swigg. Let's go. All right, you guys, so I got the camera flipped around, and these are the 3 that we got in this first package, and you guys will see part 2 whenever I get the second package, and that will have 3 more figures in it, a horse and 2 other figures I'm super excited about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this heads pack. Let's do that first, because there is some awesome stuff on here. Let's see. That out. Got that. Oops. Okay. And we have a bunch of other stuff in here. There is this piece for the bog goblin. Awesome. Oops, I dropped it. There is the extra tongue for the bog goblin. Very cool. There is the panther tail. Very cool. Here is the chest piece for the panther. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. Go ahead, just get these heads out of there. Look at that. Gorgeous. Wow. Look at the vampire head. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to make customs with all of these. Look at the panther. Oh my god, it just looks so good. I love it. I love it. Let's get this dwarf out here. Boom. Look at him. He is sick. Oh yeah. Beautiful paint. Beautiful paint. Here is the head completed, the bog goblin head. Man, that is sick with the alternate tongue. Oh baby, look at that. All right, the next one we're gonna be looking at is Swigg. This is one of the most anticipated figures that I was really looking forward to besides Duban, and man, Swigg, he's just looking awesome. Absolutely gorgeous, soft goods in there. This is my first goblin, and he's like a wizard slash sorcerer goblin. I love that about him. Let's get that open. Boom. And boom. Let's see his accessories and see what he comes with. There we go. Comes with one of those awesome bone handle swords. Painted beautifully. His pauldrons. Super awesome. A belt. Another pauldron. And then his 2 extra hands, which are weapon holding hands. Looking awesome. And then the dagger. Let's go. We almost forgot this awesome staff. Just look at it. Look at it in all its glory. Let's go. All right, sir. Let's get these twist ties off. Twist, 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 twist. And you should be free, my friends. Be free. Be free. Here he is, ladies and gentlemen. Let's just look at him. Wow. Bunch of range with that head. T-pose easily. Beautiful skirt piece. Oh yeah, the soft goods, all posable. His legs can go out that far. Legs like that. These rotate nicely. Oops. There we go. I also just realized that I didn't have these lights on either, so my bad. But here we have Swigg all posed up, man. Oh god, it's such a beautiful, beautiful figure. My goodness, I love it so much. Let's go ahead and get into Duban now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Duban. The last one. Oh baby, oh baby. Let's go ahead and just take this right out. Yeah. And there goes all of his accessories. Actually very surprised how big this hawk is. Beautifully painted. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, so it comes with a crossbow that looks like this. Pretty sick. Comes with a little dagger. And then his 2 pauldrons. Alright, we also have we have his awesome wired cape. Just look at this, beautiful, beautiful. Here is his sword. Here is the sword. Look how beautiful it is. Nice. Very nice. Here he is, out of the package. Here we go, man. It's got some movement down, side to side. Beautiful cloth. And I mean, just like, look at the arms. Just look at the arms, they're just beautiful. Everything about it. Let's go. Let's get him into some poses. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look at Duban. He's got his pauldrons on underneath that. He's got his awesome little dagger with his sheath right there, his sword out, his awesome little hawk. Look at it. Duban, hands down, so far my favorite. Can't wait to get my second package in. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Heads pack, vampire, demon, lady knight, dwarf, panther, and look at that. Hobgoblin, bog goblin, Jiminy Cricket, and Swigg. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, I love these. And if you guys enjoyed this Mythic Legions video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to the Journal Bizarre if you haven't already. I'm Outies 5000. I'll catch you on the next one. See you guys Saturday. Peace, and remember to always stay blazed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here's some head pack stuff I wanted to show you guys. I forgot to mention it, so you guys will get it at the end of the video. There'll be a little bonus. Look how awesome the Headless Horseman looks with the panther head. And then I just took one of my dwarfs, because I only have one dwarf that I customized, and I put this bog goblin head on it, and I think it looks cool, man. I think it looks cool. Let's see that bog goblin with the dwarf head on it. All right, and then there is the demon head on the headless horseman and the dwarf head on my custom dwarf body. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm Audi's 5000. Peace, and remember to always stay blazed.